Welcome back. In previous two lessons we have learned to create website with HTML and CSS. Let's quickly summarize what we have done so far. First we had learned to create normal web page using HTML. Then we learned how to use CSS language to style an HTML document. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. There are three ways of inserting a CSS style sheet. 1. Inline CSS. 2. Internal CSS. 3. External CSS. An inline style may be used to apply unique style for a single element. Example: inline styles are defined within the style attribute of the relevant element. Now here I am adding style tag inside H1. I have set color to blue and text alignment to center. Similarly, I am adding style tags separately for paragraph tag. This is the result. An internal style sheet may be used if one single HTML page has a unique style. The internal style is defined inside the style element, inside the head section of an HTML page. For example, here inside head section, I am inserting style tag like this, and inside that specifying background color in body. Heading color in H1. This is the result. With an external CSS, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. And that's what we are going to learn in this lesson plan 26-page Playhouse. In TLA 26.1 first we learn how to add external CSS. For this let's first create .html file with body. Then a new file with the .css extension has to be created. Let's create that. First go to File and select New File. Give name to the file and add .css to it. Then save the file in the same folder where the .html file is present. Now in this first I am specifying body. So I am typing body. Open curly bracket and specify background color to light blue. Close curly bracket. Then for heading H1 color is navy and margin left is 20 px. Like this you can add more attributes. Now save the file. Next we have to link the .css file in .html file. External styles are defined within the link element, inside the head section of the HTML page, like this. REL will tell the browser it is a style sheet, and href will give the location of the CSS file. This is the result. Now let's learn how to add images to HTML. The images to be added should be in the same folder where the .html file is present. The tag to add image is this. In src name of the image, inside the src double quotes is the name of the image along with its format. Alt. This is the result. Now let's learn how to add audio to HTML. The audio files to be added should be in the same folder where the .html file is present. The audio can be of .wav or .mp3 format. The syntax to add audio is this. Inside the audio tag autoplay, muted loop can be written to play the sound automatically, mute the sound and to loop the sound respectively. Like this. Now let's learn how to add video to the HTML. The video file to be added should be in the same folder where the .html file is present. The video can be of .mp4 or .mkv format. The syntax to add video is this. Inside src the name and format of the video file will be written. Inside the video tag autoplay, muted loop can be written to play the sound automatically, mute the sound and to loop the sound respectively. This is the result. With this we have completed TLA 26.1. Thank you.